All right, you guys, we're here at the Nike San Ysidro. It's just like 10-15 minutes before opening. There is a line around the building, so I'll show you that. The rest of the pick of the week, again, it's the Odyssey React 2, 59 minus 20%. So it's around $48. Alright guys, they have the Atmos here for $119 minus 20% off. Just checking to see what else they have. Air Max 95s. So these 97 Air Maxes, $149. I guess they have the Air Max Uptempo 95s in the Chicago. It's like from size 9 to 14. You have it here. And right next to it, you have the Sox BB4s. And just down the aisle. They also have the Bromeros here. And a couple of React Ispas. Just looking here, the Mars 270s. The grape colorway. 109 minus 20% off. You guys have these Air Max 98s. 129 minus 20% off. And you have these Air Force One Lows, Black History Month. Comes with accessories there. It's retail though, but minus 20%. There guys, they have these Jordan Big Fun here. Looks like, you know, like a color, Lakers colorway. They have a couple more. Jordan Mars 270s. Wow. And more of the grape ones. Alright guys, this is the size 12s, 11s, and 10s. Just trying to get in for you guys. Alright guys, they have a couple of the Air Force Max, different colorways. And they have the Coming to America Soon Freak 1. They have them here. It looks like a full-size run. A couple of PGs. And you have some LeBron Witness and Kyrie lows. Alright guys, and here are the 720s. Have this all white platinum. Have the blue ones, deep blue royal, deep royal blue. Looks like that. And for the dad shoes, they have all black Monarchs. And the white ones weird. We're here at the apparel. And it looks like they have the infrared t-shirts. And they have a couple of Jordan shirts. Again, all 20% off. Good logo. These are all in the size 11s to 10s. Yes, you have the boots, they're Jordan 9s here. It's selling for retail though. Just quick at the runners section. Sunex. This pen. And if you guys are looking for luggage, they have the Nike luggage for $119, basically 50% off plus another 20% off on top of that. And you have these clearance items here plus additional 20% off on top of that. We're here at the back wall. You have a lot of the 200s.
Oh, they took the benches away.
All right, guys, I'm just gonna go into women's section really quick. All right, guys, just a quick look at the hash wall between the kids and the women's. There's a good stand out. 312 in the bread. 7Y. 69.99. That's actually a pretty good price. Alright guys, thank you again for watching my video here at the Nike factory store at San Ysidro. It's the second day of opening. It was crazy line coming in. If you guys do come, make sure you guys know there's going to be a wait, especially in the weekend. You could expect to wait between 10 minutes to up to 3 hours, depending on how busy it is. Type of content, comment, like, share down below, and if you guys haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you again. Until the next video, you guys. All right, you guys, I'm gonna go show you the line. As you can see at the front of the store, it'll wrap around. It's wrapping around the building. And you can see it's still wrapping around. And it goes into the back. And there's the end of the line, you guys. Alright guys, that was just a quick view of the line. So if you get here early, if you guys want to come early, or come during the week. The weekends are going to be really bad for the first week or so. Alright you guys, till the next video.